Welcome, Aspergers. Let's dig in.
Lights hum in a key I can't quite ignore, calculating footsteps on a marble floor. You speak in circles, chasing the breeze, while I'm counting the leaves on the eucalyptus trees. Got a hunger for the math, a thirst for the core, finding the logic in the roar. I'm built for the deep dive, not the shallow end, where the truth doesn't break and the rules don't bend. Tell me the truth, tell me the truth. Yeah, my gears turn different at a holy speed, giving my soul exactly what it needs. Just what I need. The velvet is abrasive, the silk is too loud. I'm a map maker lost in a neon crowd, but when the pattern aligns and the focus takes flight, I see the whole galaxy in the middle of the night. Keep the metaphors, darling, just give me the wire, and watch how I build the whole fire. I'm built for the deep dive, not the shallow end, where the truth doesn't break and the rules don't bend. Tell me the truth, tell me the truth. Yeah, my gears turn different at a holy speed, giving my soul exactly what it needs. Just what I need. Too bright, too fast, everything at once, trying to translate the world for the dunce. But wait, let the system reboot, finding the silent, beautiful root. I'm built for the deep dive, not the shallow end, where the truth doesn't break and the rules don't bend. Tell me the truth, tell me the truth. Yeah, my gears turn different at a holy speed, giving my soul exactly what it needs. Just what I need. Now the machine is quiet. Good night.
Medical classification and definition. Asperger syndrome is a neurodevelopmental condition characterized by significant difficulties in social interaction and nonverbal communication, alongside restricted and repetitive patterns of behavior and interests. In 2013, the diagnostic framework changed significantly. The medical community no longer uses Asperger syndrome as a standalone diagnosis. Instead, it is now diagnosed under the broader umbrella of Autism Spectrum Disorder. Individuals who previously received an Asperger diagnosis generally fit into the Autism Spectrum Disorder Level 1 category, meaning they require some support but do not have the cognitive or language delays often associated with other types of autism. How it affects the individual. People with this condition experience the world differently than neurotypical individuals. The primary effects usually fall into a few distinct areas: social interaction and communication. Literal interpretation. They often interpret language exactly as it is spoken, making sarcasm, idioms, and implied meanings difficult to grasp. Nonverbal cues. Reading body language, facial expressions, and varying tones of voice can be highly challenging. Social reciprocity. Engaging in typical back-and-forth conversation might be difficult, as they may dominate discussions about their specific interests or struggle to know when to speak. Eye contact. Maintaining typical eye contact can feel uncomfortable or overwhelming. Behaviors and interests. Intense focus. It is common to develop a deep, highly specialized knowledge of specific topics, such as history, mathematics, or technical systems. Routine reliance. A strong preference for predictability and structured routines is typical. Disruptions to these routines can cause significant distress or anxiety. Sensory processing. Many individuals experience hypersensitivity or hyposensitivity to sensory input, meaning bright lights, loud noises, or specific textures can be physically painful or highly distracting. How it affects people around them. The traits of this condition also shape the experiences of family members, friends, and colleagues. Family and close relationships. Communication adjustments. Loved ones often need to learn to communicate with absolute clarity and directness, avoiding hints or subtle emotional cues. Emotional translation. Because individuals on the spectrum might express empathy or affection differently, partners and family members might sometimes feel a lack of traditional emotional connection until they learn the unique ways the person shows care. Accommodating needs. Families often adapt their environments and schedules to minimize sensory overload and maintain the predictable routines that provide comfort. Social and professional environments. Misunderstandings. Peers and colleagues might misinterpret the direct communication style as rudeness or a lack of tact. Unique contributions. In workplaces, the ability to hyper-focus and retain massive amounts of detailed information can make them exceptional problem solvers and subject matter experts. Need for structure. Employers and teachers may need to provide clear, written instructions and consistent expectations rather than vague or open-ended tasks.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Have yourself a great day.